Morning children. In the previous class we discussed about endoplasmic reticulum and today we will be seeing about the other organelles and we will be discussing about Golgi complex. Okay, so you can see here just about the centrioles, this arrangement of organelles. These are the Golgi complex. Okay, so Golgi complex was first discovered by a scientist named Camillo Golgi. Okay, Camillo Golgi, and therefore this organelle is also called as Golgi complex. Okay, and then these are the membrane bound vesicle like structure, and the arrangement, this parallel arrangement of this is called Golgi apparatus is called cistern. Okay, so the parallel arrangement of Golgi complex is called cistern, children. Okay, so here there is a space and this is called as a lumen. Okay, Golgi complex plays very important role. First of all, it transports the material synthesized in endoplasmic reticulum both inside and outside the cell. Okay, first it gets the proteins from the endoplasmic reticulum and then it stores it, then it modifies it, and then it makes a small package, okay, a small sachets, and then it transport that to the various organelles inside the cell, outside the cell. Okay, so and then still there are several other functions. Golgi complex also helps in the formation of complex sugar from the simple sugar. Okay, and then we also studied that the lysosomes are called suicidal bags of the cell, isn't it? So it kills itself. Then if lysosomes are not there, then how the function of lysosome is carried? Okay, so Golgi complex is also involved in the formation of new lysosomes. Okay, so what are the functions of Golgi complex? Golgi complex modifies the protein synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum, stores, and then it makes a sachets and transports both inside and outside the cell. Okay, then it helps in the formation of complex sugar from the simple sugar. Okay, and then it also is involved in the formation of lysosomes. Okay, so these are the functions of Golgi complex. The arrangement of this is called as cistern, and this was discovered by Camillo Golgi. Okay, and next one will go to cytoskeleton. You can see these structures here, children. So cytoskeletons are the network of fibers in the cell which gives mechanical support to the cell. Okay, so these are the cytoskeleton. Okay, so these are spread all over the cell. Here last time we studied the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum are the tube-like structure spread all over the cell. Okay, cytoskeletons are network of fibers spread all over the cell. Okay, so these are the tube-like structure. These are network of fibers. Okay, and the main functions of this cytoskeleton is it gives mechanical support to the cell and it also helps in the cell movement. Okay, it also helps in cell movement. Okay, and next these cytoskeletons are made up of three types of fibers. Okay, three types of fibers, and those are called first one is microtubules, and second one is microfilament, and third one is intermediate filament. Okay, intermediate filament. Okay, so these are the three types of fibers that makes the cytoskeleton. Cyto means cell, skeleton is that one which supports. Okay, so what are the functions of this cytoskeleton, children? These are called cytoskeleton. Okay, so this cytoskeleton, what are the two functions? It gives mechanical support to the cell and it also helps in the cell. It also participates or helps in cell movement. It is made up of three types of fibers, that is microtubules, microfilament and intermediate filaments. Okay, so till now we studied so many organelles, children. and these organelles are extremely small and cannot be seen with ordinary microscope. Okay, these can be studied and seen only under electron microscope except in nucleus. Nucleus is only the prominent structure which can be seen with ordinary microscope. Okay, the next to nucleus we studied mitochondria, lysosome, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, cytoskeleton. Okay, so these are all very small and can be seen under electron microscope. Okay, and next one minute. Now note down all this. Okay, next we'll go to the plant organelles in the plant cell. Okay, though both the animal cell and plant cell are eukaryotic cell, children, there are some organelles which makes the fundamental difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Okay, so what are those organs? They are, first one is cell wall, second one is vacuole, third one is plastids, and fourth one is centriole. Okay, so first one is cell wall, vacuole, plastids, and centriole. These are the four organelles that makes the difference between the plant cell and animal cell. Okay, so first one is cell wall, that is present only in the plant cell. Okay, absent in the animal cell. We have already learned that cell wall is present outside the plasma membrane. Okay, every cell has plasma membrane, and in plant there is cell wall present outside the plasma membrane. So this cell wall is present in bacteria, fungi, algae, and other plants, higher plants also. Okay, and then in bacteria, and this is the composition of cell wall is different in different groups. Okay, in bacteria the cell wall is made up of carbohydrates. Okay, whereas in others it is made up of cellulose. Okay, so composition of cell wall, children. So the four organelles, what are the four organelles? Cell wall, second one is vacuole, third one is plastids, and fourth one is centriole. Okay, centriole. Yes, so cell wall is present in the, make a column like this, then it will be easy for you, like this. This is plant cell, and this is animal cell. Okay, animal cell, like this you make column, and then cell wall is present in the plant cell and absent in the animal cell. Okay, it is absent in the animal cell. Go through all the organelles from the nucleus. Okay, and before that also we learned about how the living organisms show organization. So go through all those and all the organelles and make 20 questions of 1 marks. Okay, so all the organelles what we have learned till cytoskeleton, and then introduction of the organelles present in the plant cell and the animal cell. Okay, so up to here you go through all, and in the next class we will be discussing about all these organelles. Okay.